Hey everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am testing a fragrance I thought I would never, ever, ever would test. Dragon's Blood. I don't know what it was. Maybe I smelled a bad one at one point, but I vouched I would never, ever make or test Dragon's Blood. But I always see people posting about it, and I was like, all right, let me give it a try. Sometimes you never know. So for those of you who aren't familiar with Dragon's Blood, the official description is citrus, fruity, musk with patchouli and vanilla. And so if you're not a big patchouli person, it's not that strong. Um, the other notes do take over. I mean, it's definitely a patchouli scent, but it's not straight patchouli. So I feel like it's a really nice mix, kind of some middle ground for the fragrance. And I'll be honest, I actually really like it. I'm not typically a patchouli fan, although like straight patchouli has definitely grown on me. Um, so this was like a really pleasant surprise. It wasn't as strong as I thought it would be out of the bottle. So again, I'm kind of a fan. I'm hoping that this one lasts and it survives the cure and does really well. And we'll see. But the good news is this one doesn't accelerate, it doesn't rise. You'll see that real quickly. It behaves very, very nicely. And as for the colors, I was thinking, what other colors can you use for Dragon's Blood other than like some activated charcoal and then the deep rose mica color? So I thought it was perfect color combination. And then I am leaving some of the batter uncolored just so we can test and see how badly it discolors, if at all. It does have a little bit of vanillin in it. So we'll see. But again, look, the fragrance, it's not racing, it's not accelerating. So really nice to work with, and it honestly doesn't smell that bad. And I mean that like in a good way. um, you just never know. So anyway, I think I just had too many misconceptions about Dragon's Blood that I never even wanted to try it. So anyway, glad I was able to try it, and I'm going to go ahead and finish mixing up the colors, and I'll bring you guys back for the cut. right, and here we are. We're back for the cut. You can see it did overheat a little bit. It got a little bit of a crack, but that's okay. And I'm going to say super excited with how these swirls turned out. Sorry about the camera. It was like giving me a hard time focusing. Super, super excited about these swirls. I feel like they're really well defined, and just soap smells great, and I'm loving the swirls, and the silly camera won't seem to autofocus. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you shortly on the next video.